Love is not enough. Money talk matters too. Pastor Iren Emmanuel drops real wisdom every couple needs to hear before saying I do or I still do.
The fact that you are the head of the home does not mean you have to earn the most money in that house. It is part of leadership. When you compare what is coming in from your end, compare what is coming in from my end. For the sake of your children and for the sake of the family, reorder the priorities of your family so that what is bringing in money can be preserved. Are you getting what I'm saying? For instance, of course, submission requires that if after getting advice, the husband decides this is the way to go, it is part of the privileges of leadership that the woman will trust his leadership. But as a husband, at least consider. Not that she's earning 15 million, you are earning 150K. You know, I'm the head of the house. Resign your own. What? Listen. There is a difference between being the head and being the coconut head. God said you are the head, not the coconut head. Because you are the head of the home does not mean they can't suggest to you. They can't advise. Some men think that it is part of headship to just do what they want. And nobody can tell them what to do. Because you are the head of the home does not mean you are always right.